Imagine a modern kitchen, stainless steel gleams, sleek appliances hum quietly. A gas stovetop offers instant controllable fire. The oven, a marvel of engineering, bakes with precision. We take this ease for granted. But for most of human history, cooking was a far different experience. Our ancestors faced challenges we rarely consider. Building and maintaining a fire was a daily chore. Controlling temperature was an art, not a science. Smoke-filled kitchens, stinging eyes and coating everything in soot. Let's journey back in time to explore the fascinating world of cooking before modern stoves and ovens. For early humans, fire was a game changer. It provided warmth, light and protection, essential for survival in the harsh prehistoric world. But fire also revolutionized cooking, transforming the way humans prepared and consumed their food. Meat, tough and difficult to digest raw, became tender and flavorful when cooked over flames, making it easier to chew and digest. Vegetables, which were often hard and fibrous, softened, releasing new tastes and aromas that were previously inaccessible. This discovery, thousands of years ago, was a pivotal moment in human history, marking the beginning of culinary evolution. The earliest cooking methods were simple yet effective. Open fires, built directly on the ground or in shallow pits, provided the necessary heat source for cooking. Food was roasted on spits over the flames or placed directly on hot embers, infusing it with a smoky flavor. Stones heated in the fire were used to boil water and cook stews in rudimentary pots, a method that expanded the variety of dishes. Imagine the smoky aroma and the crackling flames, the very essence of primal cooking, creating a communal atmosphere. As humans progressed, so did their cooking methods, becoming more refined and diverse. They developed new tools and techniques, enhancing their ability to prepare a wider range of foods. Clay vessels, able to withstand higher temperatures, allowed for more sophisticated cooking, such as baking and boiling. Grinding stones transformed grains into flour, the foundation for early breads, which became a staple in their diet. These innovations, while simple, were significant steps forward, laying the groundwork for future culinary advancements. They paved the way for the more elaborate culinary traditions of ancient civilizations, forming the roots of our modern cooking practices. In the ancient world, cooking took on new levels of sophistication, evolving from simple fire pits to more complex methods. Civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt developed advanced cooking techniques and tools which revolutionized their culinary practices. Clay ovens, for example, became commonplace and were integral to daily life. These ovens, often dome-shaped, retained heat more effectively than open fires, allowing for more even cooking and better control over the temperature. In Mesopotamia, the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, people baked flatbreads on the hot walls of these clay ovens, a technique that produced a unique texture and flavor. These breads, a staple of the Mesopotamian diet, were often flavored with herbs and spices, adding variety and richness to their meals. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread filling the air, a testament to the ingenuity and skill of these early bakers who perfected their craft over generations. Ancient Egyptians also mastered the art of baking, creating a diverse array of bread types. They developed a variety of breads, some leavened with yeast, which made them rise and become fluffy, while others were simply baked in the hot sun, resulting in a different texture. In fact, Egypt is often credited as the birthplace of leavened bread, a significant culinary advancement that influenced many cultures. Their expertise extended beyond bread to include elaborate stews, roasted meats, and even desserts, showcasing their comprehensive culinary skills. These culinary traditions, passed down through generations, highlight the central role of food in these ancient societies, reflecting their values, creativity, and the importance of communal meals. Let's fast forward now to medieval Europe, a time when the kitchen was the beating heart of the household. The medieval kitchen, often the heart of the castle or manor house, was a bustling place filled with activity and life. A large hearth, fueled by wood or peat, dominated the room, serving as the central hub for all culinary activities. This roaring fire served as the primary source of heat for cooking, as well as for warmth and light, creating a symphony of fire and smoke. Cooking methods were varied and ingenious, reflecting the resourcefulness of medieval cooks. Spit roasting, where meat was skewered and slowly rotated over the fire, was a popular technique for large cuts of meat, ensuring even cooking and rich flavors. Cauldrons, large metal pots hung over the fire, were used for soup, stews and boiling, providing hearty meals for the household. Ovens, often built into the side of the hearth, baked bread and pastries, filling the kitchen with the comforting aroma of freshly baked goods. Life in a medieval kitchen was challenging, with cooks working tirelessly to prepare meals for the entire household. Maintaining the fire was a constant battle, requiring skill and vigilance to keep the flames at the right intensity. Smoke filled the room, making it a smoky and sometimes dangerous environment, with poor ventilation adding to the difficulty. And controlling the cooking temperature was an imprecise art, often relying on experience and intuition to achieve the desired results. Yet, despite these challenges, medieval cooks created a rich and varied cuisine, showcasing their creativity and adaptability. They utilized readily available ingredients and time-honored techniques to nourish their communities, ensuring that everyone was well fed and cared for. The kitchen was also a place of camaraderie where cooks shared stories, laughter, and the occasional secret recipe, creating a sense of community and belonging. During grand feasts, the kitchen would be a whirlwind of activity, with everyone working together to prepare a banquet fit for royalty. The tools and utensils used were simple yet effective, passed down through generations, each bearing the marks of countless meals prepared with care and love.